my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm bouncing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
What's up, y'all? Previously on LSJ Rock 254, we was doing some cold starts over here after the freeze. This one is a lot louder, so I cut it off, and I'm just letting that one run a little bit longer. Let it get up to temp, cycle, etc., all that good stuff. This one did not get cranked last video because of the simple fact that it's having some issues, and I'm not exactly sure what it is going on. While it is cranking, it's like doing this crazy kind of misfiring thing, and I'm not exactly sure what it is. It seems like it's intermittent. So what I want to do is go back and I want to check over like all my connections, like make sure that the positives is isolated. We hadn't done the prettying up of the harness, but at the same time we hadn't had no issues neither. So but this is why this is like the last thing I'll be worried about, because I want to make sure that everything's on the up and up and it's running smooth and good the way it's supposed to, which it was. But this just goes to show that even when everything good, sometimes shit can happen. So yeah. So I'm gonna just look everything over, take y'all with me. I guess this would be a good opportunity to, I don't know, show you some more specifics of how I did the swap or whatever. So yeah, let me grab my Modelo and we can get down to business. Yeah, it's like 10 o'clock in the morning, but I don't give freaks. It's 5 o'clock somewhere, right? So, got a Modelo in my system. Now we're ready to diagnose. So first, what I want to do is check out my connections. I did loosen some stuff up and have to retighten it. So everything on my positive looks to be tight there. That's supposed to go over the cap, but being that we run it extended, I can't use that. No fuses are blown. Both of those look to be good. Oh, just for the fans there. Let's see here. I need to get some loom and loom all this shit up. I just hadn't done it. One of the fan relays. Where's that other fan relay? But it's not the fan. It's not the fan that's causing the issue. It's like when you get on the gas, it's like it's hesitating. So that's the other positive. That's wrapped up. And then we got up. So as you can see, that's a little loose. Probably come back and tighten that down, make sure that's good. A lot of times we have some issues if you don't have good grounds. That could be the source of your issue. I know I got down here, that's probably hard for y'all to see, but if you look right there, that's another ground spot. Not that one. That screw down there. That's a ground somewhere. seem to be loose or anything. So I don't think that's the issue. I don't see any play there. Depending upon like who reworked your harness, if you reworked it or if you paid to have somebody, a lot of the grounds may be consolidated, but then they kind of might be all over the place as well. So that's another thing you want to check. For the most part though, it's on, I know that's the ground to the battery, and then we have the ground. We have a ground going to the frame here, which is right there, which that doesn't seem to be bothered. Like I said, other than trying to make sure that that's tight, like I said, it is a little loose, got a little play. Then the other grounds are gonna be back here on the firewall, which that seems to be loose. And then those ground to the back of the block, which, I think we found it. So these grounds that are on the back of the block, it's on the bolt, but that bolt is not. Cause I'm able to, let me see if I can get y'all in there with the camera. See, so there, that's where it is around the, that's where it is with the bolts. I think that's it though. This shit is hard with one hand. But yeah, see, if you look right back there, some bolts, you can barely see it. But yeah, those are grounds, and when I move it, like they're moving around that bolt. So that might be the source of our problems. So let me get a wrench and tighten that up, and then tighten up the ground there. And that might be the source of all our problems. All right, so we got that tightened up on the battery terminal, and that bolt back there with the ground, so it might be good. Only one way to find out. Haven't been in here in forever. Feels like it anyway. Is the battery dead? Alright, so it seems that the battery is dead. I'm gonna have to get the jump box. My gauge ain't saying shit. Let's get the jump box. It's possible that because if it wasn't properly grounded, you know, a lot of people say stuff about like parasitic draws, etc., etc. That could have been the case. But we finna find out. It's not charged all the way up, but should be enough to get the job done. that on. There you go. Yeah, it's dead. Yeah, that battery is out of there. So we're gonna have to either charge up the jump box or put it on the tender, let it do what it do. So yeah, out of curiosity, I grabbed the multimeter. I just want to see where the voltage is at. Ooh, 2.4. Yeah, wonder that bitch ain't cranking over. Let's see. I got more than one jump box, so let's try the little itty bitty baby one that should be fully charged up. This one is supposed to be good for like 800. What's it, 450 amps cranking. This one is 1,000, but it's not charged all the way up, so I guess we'll give it a pass. And I have to put that on the charger. And then especially with the battery being that low, that might be an issue as well. So turn it on, fully charged. Jump start, green light. See what it do. Yeah, that shit is dead. Yeah, we're gonna have to put that bitch on the tender. And it hasn't crunk over in a while, so. There she goes. She's alive! Oh, little baby came in. It probably drained the shit out of that box though. Yeah, that's 75 now. See where my voltage at? Alternator doing what it's supposed to do. It's gonna take a whole lot more than that though. We're gonna have to still put it on the tender though. It's gonna still have to go on the tender. get on the gas. So yeah, I don't know. It's something else. Like I don't know. Like I know the fuel should be good. So I don't know why I wouldn't have enough to keep rolling, but we'll figure it out. We always do.